Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, hey, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a little Valentine's Day breakfast for my Valentine, which is my daughter. And of course, we're adding sprinkles to that. Now you can use any pancake or waffle mix that you like. I like the Hungry Jacks complete because all you have to do is just add water, no egg, no extra stuff like that. So here's the Betty Crocker sprinkles I'll be using, and then I have my my heart-shaped waffle maker, and then of course my pancake mix. Okay, first we're starting off with our amount of water. I always add too much water, and then we're going in with the actual pancake mix. I'm having my daughter kind of like stir it around for me, and then I eventually helped her because she was like not getting all the dry parts. So I just, smooth everything together, mixed everything well, making sure there's no lumps or bumps in the mixture. I wanted to mix the pancake mix first just to make sure everything was fully mixed together before adding the sprinkles. Now, speaking of sprinkles, I'm adding that, or my daughter added some sprinkles. She wanted to add more than that, but you already know I had to, tone it down just a little bit because we are adding syrup to these, After that's done, now we're going to prepare our waffle maker. Now we're going to take some Pam. This has canola oil in it. You can use any non-stick spray that you like. And I'm going to spray the top and the bottom of the waffle maker just to make sure nothing sticks. And I am using this little cup, this little plastic cup, just to kind of like scoop up the mixture because I didn't want to pour too much. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like when you pour too much. My daughter could not wait to eat these waffles. I couldn't either. So the cool thing about this waffle maker is the light comes on when it's cooking and then it turns off when the waffle is done. So that's a plus for me, and I'm just showing you all how it looks. Oh my God, it came out so perfect. And it's so satisfying to watch. So I'll let you all watch while I be quiet. I know I said I was going to be quiet and let y'all watch, but I do want to know, what is y'all favorite thing to do on Valentine's Day? Is it to hang with the kids, to hang with your loved ones? Do you do group things, or do you just hang with your significant other? Let me know. So here is the part I was telling you all about. If you overfill it, it's definitely going to spill out. And I do want to put y'all on to the Starbucks double shot. It's vanilla flavored, so good. And this is the finished product, you all. Oh my God, they came out so delicious, and they were so easy to make, so fast to make. I hardly took any time. And then I did pair it with some bacon and hash browns and eggs for me and my daughter's little Valentine breakfast. You can make this for your Valentine. Thank you so much for watching, you all. I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.